Alright, I'm back with another video of a tier 1 box, and I opened one yesterday, not live on video, but I got 3 autographs instead of 2 autos and a relic. Got a Jim Palmer out of $7.99, Buster Posey out of $7.99, Paul O'Neill out of $7.99, Thurman Munson out of $1.99. We got a Brandon Geyer auto out of $9.99. Got a Ricky Nolasco crowd pleaser auto out of $6.99. An Alex White out of $9.99. Yeah, so that's weird. I'm going to call Tops because I'm going to try to get a free box or something. At least tell them that this happened. But they probably won't do anything about it. But so let's see. I would definitely call if it was 2 relics and 1 auto. But at least it was 3 autos. Alright, I'm going to open up this one. It's factory sealed. See what we got. One pack. 3 hits. See what we got. Maybe some crazy hit in here. Paul O'Neill on the back, so let's see what that is first. Paul O'Neill out of 50, black, nice. I like that. I'm a Yankee fan, so that's cool. Mike Moustakas rookie card out of $7.99, nice. Tony Gwynn out of $7.99. There we go, Twins. Stan Musial out of $7.99. Nice card. We got a Sandy Koufax autograph here out of $1.99. Wow. Very fucking nice. Sorry for cursing. But that's a very nice card right there. Big bucks. I'm glad that I did this on video for you guys. We got a David Cooper auto. This is a nice box, guys. David Cooper auto out of $9.99. And a Willie Mays out of $3.99 relic bat card. Very nice box. You know, it can never be like this every time, but gotta say that this is the best $60 I ever spent. Gotta say. But it's what I live for. I'm a pack searcher. You know, it's the thrill of the hunt, but I do open high-priced hobby boxes, and I could care less about the price. But guys, let's check out these hits again. David Cooper and Sandy Koufax auto. It's a beautiful card right here, out of $1.99. Nice hit right there. See that? It's beautiful. Very nice signature. Sharp. That'll be going on eBay for a lot of money, hopefully. Let's check it. I gotta check out what it is, what it's worth, but thanks for checking in, guys, and I'll be back soon with every Wednesday check in for my fresh hot pack breaks from my weekly search. Have a good one.